Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes. It is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making some stir-fried coconut aminos, sweet chili shrimp and veggies. And here are my ingredients looking all beautiful and colorful. And I'm going to zoom in on the coconut aminos bottle. Here it is, organic, and you can use it for all the things. It's like a replacement for soy sauce. So here I'm adding the coconut aminos. So I'm just pouring. I'm just pouring until I feel like, okay, don't pour no more, sister, don't pour no more. So yeah, I think this is good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm pouring some Lorry's seasoned salt. You don't need too much of that. And here I'm going in with some garlic pepper. Now you can use whatever seasoning you have. So if you have regular soy sauce, then use that. Whatever you have, just use it. Use your garlic powder and your onion powder if you want. So here I'm just putting some olive oil in the pot and then I'll put some onion to saute. So of course, you have to make the olive oil get hot first, right? So here I'm adding some chopped garlic or some minced garlic, right? And go ahead and stir that up for about a minute, mix it up. And then I'm gonna go in with some garlic puree. Now, if you want to grate a little piece, ginger puree. If you want to go in with some, like grate your ginger yourself, then that is fine. But yeah, add some ginger, it gives it an amazing flavor. And here I'm going in with some yellow, green, and red bell peppers. Look at them, just beautiful, just beautiful. So add whatever veggies you like. So if you don't like bell peppers, add whatever you like. If you like mushroom, of course, I'm gonna go in with some carrots, right? I'm not going to leave out the carrot. Look at Carrie, come through Carrie. So of course I did them in strips though, but of course it doesn't matter which way you cut them. So yeah, just stir that in. And now I'm just going to add some of the coconut amino sauce just to incorporate that flavor into the veggies, right? So I just want to carry over the flavor, even though the shrimp has it, but I really just want to, bring it up some more. So stir that up. And everything is like for a minute or two tops. So now I'm going in with a bit of the Lorry's seasoned salt as well. Going in with some onion granules, some garlic granules. So use onion powder, garlic powder if that's what you have. But I like using the granules. So stir that up and look at the steam. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Can you smell my kitchen? It is smelling smellilicious. I love it. Yes. So you don't want to cook these things for too long. You don't want to stir them too long. Now let's go in with the shrimp and look how delectable, juicy it is looking already, and it's not even cooked. Vibe Sam, I am telling you, this is just all the goodness. Just all the goodness. So stir that up and we are going to cover it for 2 minutes. Yeah, so cover it for 2 minutes. Ooh, Vibes fam, look how good that is looking like it's looking. So just give it a quick stir. We're making sure nothing is not stuck to the bottom of the pot. By the way, I don't like a lot of oil in my pot. If you do, go ahead and add more if you want. So now I'm just adding some spring onions or green onions. I cut them this way just to give it a little jazz. So yeah, just stir that up. And then here we have it, Vibes fam. We are done. Look at this beautiful stir-fried coconut amino sweet chili shrimp and veggies. Oh my goodness. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. I feel a spirit. And I'm telling you, look, oh, everything looks so good. Nothing is overcooked. Just perfect. So let me know, Vibe Sam, what would you have this with? Would you have it with some white rice? I don't know. What would you have it with? But if you don't want to do rice or potatoes or anything, you can have it with even some lettuce, like some iceberg lettuce, anything that you want to have it with. But yeah, Vibe Sam, this is just so amazing. But thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like the video, click the thumbs up, share, and please subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Thank you. God bless you.